Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and this is my makeup tutorial for a natural everyday makeup by just using drugstore products. So first, let's start with a clean base. I already moisturized my face with my trusted face creams. Now for the base, I used this CC cream from Shawill in the shade Ivory White. And this is just perfect for everyday makeup because it gives a very sheer coverage and it just eliminates the redness and discoloration on your face. And it also gives me a natural instant white finish. Now for concealer under my eye, I use this Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Light, and I also use this as a highlight around my lips. Now to conceal my blemishes and dark spots, I use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in a shade 25. And now I just blend everything with my fingers. Now to set the concealer, I use this EB Matte Powder Foundation and I'm in the shade Matte Fair Oriental. And now I set the rest of my face with the same powder foundation. Now for baking, I use my favorite loose powder from Nichido and I'm in the shade Ivory Glow. And I just bake my jawline, the bridge of my nose, my lip area, and the concealer under my eye. I'm going to use the same Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover up the veins on my eyelids. With a small fluffy brush, I'm going to set my eyelids with the Nichido loose powder that I used earlier. I'm just going to blend the rest of the powder. For contouring and bronzing, I use a Taupe Eyeshadow Palette to contour the sides of my face, my jawline, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Now to create a natural shadow effect on my eye, I use the same Taupe eyeshadow that I use for contour and bronzing. And now I'm just going to extend that shadow on the sides of my nose. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara afterwards. For mascara, I use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara to avoid smudging. For the brows, I'm using the Careline Careline Best Brow Liner, and I'm in the shade Taupe. And for a natural look, I'm just going to fill in the natural shape of my brows. With the use of a spoolie, I'm going to brush out and blend the excess product on my brow. For blush, I'm using this Nichido powder blush in the shade Tomato. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks and extending it to my nose area and under my eyes for a natural blushy look. Next is highlight. I'm using this Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Pop in the shade 10, and I'm applying this on the highest points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, the center of my nose, and my brow bone. For the lips, I'm using two different lip tints. One is from Bilena in the shade Uptown Red, and the other one is from KJM in the shade Bittersweet Magenta. I always prefer a gradient look on my lip, and I only apply my lip tints on the lower part of my lip and the inner part of my upper lip. And that's all for my makeup tutorial, and I hope you like this, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and I see you again on my next video. Thank you guys!